Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block websites on Google Chrome in PC. If you're using any PC, computer, or a laptop and you want to block any website on your Chrome, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser or your Chrome here. I'm going to open my Chrome, and here you just have to add an extension to your browser. So now to do this, you just have to simply go for the search option here and just search for Chrome Web Store. Just search for this, and here you'll see a website of Chrome. Just open this website, and in website you just have to search for an extension which is block site. Just search for block site and you will get that extension here. Just open the first extension. So you can see that it has almost 31.8K ratings with 4.5 stars. So I'm gonna add it to my Chrome. I have already added it, so it will not download any file. But if you're adding this extension first time, it will download a bit file over here. So just wait for the downloading, and then it will add it to your Chrome. Just wait for it until it's add this. So once your extension has been added to your Chrome, you will get this in this extension section. Just wait for this until it's adding it to your Chrome. So now extension has been successfully added. You will get it in your extension section. You can also pin this if you want to. Just have on this pin icon and it will pin the extension over here. Now you can continue using your Google account in this extensions. I have already verified this. And then once you have done, what you have to do, you have to simply open any website which you want to block. I'm gonna open my TikTok here first. And here you can see that my TikTok is working well. So I'm going to block this website. So just tap on the extension you have just added and just tap on block this site. So now your website has been successfully blocked. You just have to refresh. So just tap on this refresh page. It will refresh your page. So after that you can see that you are unable to open this website, that your website has been blocked. You can, whenever you try to open this website, you are unable to use the website on your PC or on your browser until you unblock it. Now to unblock, just tap on your extension and then tap on edit block list. So here you'll get all of the sites of the website you have blocked. You can also add website to your block list by tapping on this add button, but I'm not going to add any website block list. So just tap on the skip option over here and then tap on maybe later. And now you just have to select the free option over here. You can also try to skip this. This is skip for limited plan. And I just tap on next, then next, then this one. Now here you will see all the website you have blocked. So I have only blocked this website, I have only this one. Just tap on this delete option over here and your website will be unblocked. Now you just have to open the website again. So I'm reopening my TikTok and this time you'll easily use your TikTok. So in this way you can easily block website on your PC or your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.